Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to Let's Get It Started. This is going to be a quick yoga core session. So come to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, a long deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes and come over onto your hands and knees. So when you come over onto your hands and knees, then let's take the hands shoulder width apart, your knees hips width apart. Press into your right arm and your right hand, and then inhale, lift your left arm up and hold for a couple breaths. That's 1 and 2. And exhale, thread the needle under, but don't go down. We're gonna do this to activate the core. So inhale, spiral open. Exhale, reach it under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, reach it under. Inhale, spiral open. 3 more times. Exhale, reach it under. Inhale, press up, spiral open. Exhale, reach it under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, reach it under. Inhale, spiral open, hold. 1, 2, find your transverse abdominals, big reach. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale all the way under. Extend your right arm over your head. Navel is in. Stay there just to release. That's 2 breaths. Nice. Let's do 1 more breath here. Excellent work. Okay, let's bring that right hand back. Draw the navel in. Back up to your hands and knees. Good. Let's prepare to switch the sides. Press into the left arm. Draw the navel in. Inhale, big open. Nice. 1, 2, reach with the arm, not the neck. 3, good. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, twist it under. Inhale, lift, spiral open. Exhale, twist it under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, twist it under. Inhale, spiral open. Let's do 3 more times. Exhale, twist it under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, twist it under. Inhale, spiral open. Exhale, twist it under. Inhale, spiral open, hold. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4 and 5, slide it under. Extend the left arm, and just to release, we hold for 1, deep breath in, and deep breath out. 1 more, deep breath in, and deep breath out. Good job. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale here, nice. Place the elbows down, and we're gonna come to the Dolphin Plank. Walk your legs back and feet together. Hold for 5, 1. Activate the core muscles. 2, 3, draw the navel in. 4, keep it stable. 5, shoulders forward. 1, 2, almost there. 3, 4, and 5. Walk your left foot in and inhale, right leg comes up and back. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Switch, right foot into the center, left leg back. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Back to your Dolphin Plank. Nice. Inhale, walk it up to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Give me a big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, all the way out. Good. Switch your gaze forward. Now, cross your feet. Exhale, sit down. Now let's grab those yoga blocks. We're gonna put the blocks to a little bit of use. So here we go. Find the feet out in front. Extend your arms, hold. 1, this is our beginning of navasana, which is the quintessential yoga core pose. 2, 3, you can keep the knees a little separated as you draw the navel in, or you can squeeze the knees in, up to you. 5, now rotate the tailbone under and exhale, lower down. 1, navel in. 2, 3, 4, don't give up, 5, roll it up. Good. Cross, hands on the blocks. Now I want you to lift, not only with your shoulders, but with the center of the body. So lift with your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Set it down. Now bring the feet up off the ground. 1. Nice. 2, keep working. Feel that midsection. Feel the heat rising up. 3, don't you give up. 4, 5, exhale, straight legs, hands on your thighs. 1, 2, keep it working. 3, 4, and 5. Bend the knees, change across. Hands on the blocks. Remember, lift with your body. 1, 2, if your feet stay on the ground, it's okay. Just keep activating the core. 3, elbows in. 4, and 5, exhale down. Now, legs straight. 1, if this is too much, you dial it down. Remember, it's your body. 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale, go down. Hands on your thighs or hands above the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, hands forward, lift, cross, and lift it up with your body. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5. Set it down, keep your hands on the blocks, swing your feet back, all the way back. Find your plank position on the blocks. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, big breath out. Pressing up onto the blocks. Switch your gaze forward, cross the feet, slide them through to seated, drawing the navel deeply in. Good. Keep your hands on the blocks. We're going to work the L-sit position in 2 ways. Draw the knees up into your chest and hold. 1, keep the hands on the blocks. 2, 3, tighten the midsection. 4, and 5, extend your legs, hips back and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend the knees, sink it down, knees into the chest. This is going to be a little hard. If your flexibility is not there, this is going to feel really difficult, but please just try anyway. Legs straight, hold on to the blocks. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, and 5. Straighten the legs and lift. 2, 3, 4. Set it down. Good job. Now, I want you to bend the knees, take the hands off the blocks, and inhale, hips up and forward. 5 breaths. 1, we got the reverse tabletop. 2, navel is in, deep breaths. 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale, set it down. Now bring your feet together and reverse plank. Inhale, hips up and forward. 1, not only the shoulders, but lift with your body. 3, use your back muscles. 4, and 5, exhale, all the way down. Good job. Hands on the blocks, cross your feet. Inhale, you lift it up. Exhale, all the way back. Find a good plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Cross your feet. Slide it on through to your L-sit and hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's set it down. Nice. Move your blocks over to the side. Cross your feet. Come back to your center line for a moment. And now let's just feel the breath. Feel your body. See how that fire got started so quickly? So good to put in these little quick bursts. The navel draws in, and then we release the neck. Exhale, head over to the left side, and just gentle neck release. Almost there, you can drop the right hand down. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. 1 more, deep breath in. Deep breath out. Release. Back to the center. Let's switch the sides. Head over to the right side. You can give that gentle release. The fingers down and hold just a few breaths. Find the spot where the neck is releasing. Very good. 2 more breaths. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. 1 more. And back to the center. Good. Feel the energy all around you, the goodness that's within you, and hands come back into prayer position. Deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this Yoga Drills practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. If you really enjoyed this practice, I want to invite you to come practice with me every week on Omstars.com. This was 10 minutes, but I do a full hour there live every week. And you can ask me any questions about your practice there. So let's do it. Let's do some yoga drills. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know how you enjoyed this little quick getting your fire started yoga drills class.